Unraveling, just about managed, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but sometimes confusing phrase, just about managed. This phrase is a handy tool in English, conveying a specific nuance about accomplishing something. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, stick around as we break down what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clear up any confusion. Just about managed is a phrase that combines just about, indicating something is barely sufficient or close to, and managed, which means to succeed in doing something, especially with difficulty. Put together, just about managed suggests that someone succeeded in doing something, but only with considerable effort and possibly only barely. This phrase is particularly useful for emphasizing the difficulty of a task and the effort required to achieve it, often implying that the outcome was uncertain until the very end. You can use just about managed in situations where you want to express that you or someone else achieved something, but it was not easy. It's perfect for conveying a sense of relief that a task is completed despite the challenges. Examples. 1. I just about managed to finish my essay before the deadline. 2. She just about managed to catch the train. 3. We just about managed to get enough votes to pass the bill. In each of these examples, the phrase adds a layer of drama by highlighting the struggle behind the achievement. It's also interesting to see how just about managed can fit into various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal writing. While it's more commonly used in spoken English or informal writing, understanding its flexibility will help you become more adept at expressing nuances in English. Practice sentences. After hours of trying, he just about managed to solve the puzzle. They just about managed to secure a spot at the prestigious university. I just about managed to save enough money for the trip. Try creating your own sentences using just about managed to get a feel for its use. Congratulations! You've just about managed to learn all about the phrase, just about managed. We hope this video has been enlightening and will help you use this phrase confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the subtle nuances, and you're doing just that. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.